With reference to Tebhaga movement over here, first of all, it was led by All India Kisan Sabha. ठीक है? It demanded, Tebhaga, it is talking about, it demanded 2/3 share of the produce for the sharecroppers. Absolutely right. The movement, it was confined to Telangana region. No, that is different. Tebhaga, it is confined to the Bengal area. Okay. So the answer over here is 1. Bengal and Bihar area. Tebhaga is present over there. See. Tebhaga movement led by All India Kisan Sabha. The demand was that the sharecropper, they should retain 2/3 Tebhaga of the produce over here. Okay? It was not confined to Telangana. It has taken place in Bengal. This I was trying to say. Now, another question. Bardoli Satyagraha. Okay, Bardoli Satyagraha. It was triggered by sudden increase in land revenue assessment during a period of agrarian distress, and this land revenue increment had been of 30%. Okay, the movement led directly to the formation of All India Kisan Sabha. Okay, the movement directly, no, All India Kisan Sabha had been formed at later stages. Okay, see over here, Bardoli Satyagraha. Again, this was in Gujarat, 1928, right? As we have already discussed, the land revenue assessment over here imposed had been 30% increase. Okay, the movement over here, it was not directly, it led to the formation of this. In fact, All India Kisan Sabha, it came in 1936. Okay, in 1936 at Lucknow, under the leadership of N.G. Ranga, Swami Sajanand Saraswati and others. Is it clear? Only after this, that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had earned the title of Sardar. Is it clear? Okay. With reference to the major peasant movements. Okay, another question over here is Eka movement. It came in the Awadh region, right? It was 1921. Moplah Rebellion, again it was in Malabar, 1921. Eka movement was basically in your Bareilly Hardoi area, right? It was against the increased rent the people could not pay to the zamindars. Moplah Rebellion, initially it was secular in nature. Later there was question of Hindu-Muslim unity. Bardoli Satyagraha, we had already seen increased rent. It was in Gujarat. Tebhaga, we had already discussed that it has been in the Bengal area specifically, not in the Bihar area. So 1, 2 and 3 options are correct over here. Okay. Moplah Rebellion over here. It was a peaceful protest against the British land revenue policies. First of all, it was not a peaceful protest. It started as peaceful. It got its support from Congress initially during the time of non-cooperation movement, but it became a violent protest. Okay, so this is wrong. It was confined to the Malabar region, involved agrarian and religious grievances over here. Okay, this statement is right. Later, religious were also there. Rebellion was supported by Indian National Congress throughout its course, not throughout its course. So 1 and 3 are absolutely wrong over here. Only 2 is correct. The question is they're asking is which of the following is not correct? 1 and 3. Consider the following statements regarding the Khilafat movement in India. It was launched to protest the British mistreatment of Turkey and safeguard the Khilafah's control over the Islamic holy places. Okay, yes. Why? Because we had seen in world history class that Treaty of Versailles, was signed with Germany, and Treaty of Service was again signed with Turkey. And both the treaties, this was with Germany, this was with Turkey, so they had been very humiliating. The Khilafat Committee was formed by leaders like Ali brother, Maulana Azad, and Hasrat Mosani over here. Okay, this is right. The movement remained strictly religious and did not align uh, with the Indian National Congress and broader nationalistic goals over here. Now, see over here, first of all, this question over here is that the movement was not strictly religious. What happened in when Mahatma Gandhi had launched the non-cooperation movement, there were questions on Punjab wrongs. There were questions on Jallianwala Bagh, which had happened. There was question on this Khilafat brothers, which they had taken place, right? So it was not completely religious. It was aligning with the national consciousness or interest of India. Okay. Chora Chori incident, it involved the violent retaliation against police, okay, leading to Gandhi's decision to halt the movement. The Khilafat issue, it lost the relevance after the Mustafa Kamal Pasha, he abolished the caliphate and secularized Turkey. Right, this has absolutely happened. What happened in Chora Chori? There were these normal people who had burnt down the police station in the Gorakhpur area. Okay, and over here, the means over here which had been taken to fight the people, they had been violent in nature, which is against the one propagated by Mahatma Gandhi, Ahimsa and Satyagraha. Khilafat issue lost relevance after this. Yes, British government accepted all the demands of Congress, including not all the demands first of all. It did accept Swaraj, but it did not accept the release of the political prisoners. So the answer over here is 1 and 2. Okay.